Okay, so you're a dad with a wonderful family. You work hard, have a nice home, and are saving for your kids' education. So what's your greatest asset? Your house? Your job? It's you. Your ability to earn an income and help provide for your family. And if you had a little accident, a slip and fall down the stairs that landed you in nirvana, how would your family cope? Life insurance. Sure, your loved ones will miss you, but financial security is the greatest gift you can give them, and getting insured has never been easier than at Y-Vision Financial. Y-Vision Financial is associated with Peak Investment Services, which offers more than 3,000 mutual funds and managed products. Y-Vision is your licensed expert in insurance of persons with access to a listing of 25 insurance carriers. And best of all, we have options with no medical requirements. So, insure your family's greatest asset, you. Contact Y-Vision right now.